Back in 2007, there was a really weird moment in time. If you were on the internet and you essentially ran any Facebook ad, it literally made money. You didn't need to be smart, you didn't even need to have the best products or understand marketing, and you definitely didn't need any actual experience. You could literally put $100 into the system and somehow make 300 back. It was cheap, it was really unregulated and super open. And those people who jumped on this early printed money before anyone else. Now, fast forward to 2013 and the same thing happened, but with a different area. It wasn't on Facebook, but it was selling product through Amazon, third-party sellers, or what's called Amazon FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon, which now makes up more than 60% of Amazon's revenue. But if you were going back in 2013, no matter what product you put on the marketplace, it was selling and people were making hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars because the supply and demand was so out of whack. There was a huge demand, but there wasn't enough people fulfilling that supply. So the search volumes were there. The people wanted this product and it was a little bit ahead of the curve. So if you were there early, you made millions. Now, these opportunity windows come every 4 to 5 years. But in retrospect, it's a little bit harder to decipher when these real big opportunities are happening. And I think there's an opportunity right now, and that's what I want to talk to you about. The opportunity we're having right now is with ChatGPT and essentially the AI revolution. This isn't hype, this isn't theory, and this isn't going away. AI is going to create the most millionaires and most billionaires out of any industry ever. And I think this is going to age very well. Of course, not every business that utilizes AI or gets into AI is going to be successful, but I do think a big portion of them are going to be around to be the next Google or to be the next Apple. There's going to be huge industries created from this AI revolution. So if you want to learn how to take advantage of this, how to actually be early for once, you're going to want to stick around in this video because I'm going to share the 3 best businesses to start, even if you're not tech savvy, and how you can utilize AI to get these businesses up and running off the ground. And so before we dig in, if this is your first time seeing me, make sure you hit subscribe to get alerted about the new videos I'm putting out every single week, teaching people how to earn from anywhere. Now, whenever you're considering starting a business, it's a lot easier to sell to people that are already making money. If you're trying to sell something to somebody who's very income conscious, they're living paycheck to paycheck, it's going to be a lot harder. Now, all 3 of these businesses are going to focus on selling something to an already established business that's making money. Each one of these businesses is going to focus on the 3 layers of marketing and sales. Now, starting off with the first business, this is AI chatbots. And this is something that most people don't understand. Whenever an online business is trying to get customers, around 90% of people who visit that website don't ever take action. They never convert. And a lot of times that's because a lot of things are missing. They don't have somebody welcoming them into the store. If you've ever been into a Home Depot or Walmart, it can be kind of overwhelming. It would be so nice if somebody's like, hey, what are you looking for? I'll help you go find that, and then try to upsell them more things. And this is essentially what an AI chatbot can do. It can welcome people into your store. Say, hey, what are you looking for help? Are you looking for resources, information? Are you actually looking to take action and set up a call or to buy this product that, might not be showing in stock, but we're going to get it in stock tomorrow? There's so many different levels to this that if you can build a really good chatbot and actually convert it into more leads, more customers, and more conversions, people will pay you a lot of money. Now, this situation and this installation is fairly easy to do, but it takes some nuances to get it right. What I suggest doing is figuring out websites and industries that could really use an easy conversion from a website visitor to a salesperson. There's a short gap. And basically all you got to do is bridge that gap. People visiting the website, a little chatbot pops up. Hey, so-and-so, what can I help you with today? And then you take them through a flow. And the best way to understand these flows is to monitor them or just do them live. Figure out what people are actually needing help with, and you can learn this in a week of just going live on a website that has a decent amount of traffic and just ask people what they need help with or what they're searching for. You'll get so many answers and you'll learn so many details about what your avatar and what these visitors are actually looking for, and then you can train your AI on that script and on that flow. The main idea is to flow them to resources and ideas that is going to actually get them what they're looking for. And on the the plus side, everyone who visits your website now is going to give you their name, their email, and that's going to sync to your system. So that way, if any visitors are coming, you're going to really improve your sales conversions, your leads, and your customers. I've seen this have a huge impact on just about every online business that has ever done this. So you're selling something that most businesses don't have. They don't know how to do it, but it's fairly easy and straightforward to set up. You can install ManyChat, but there's a bunch of other resources out there. Just figure out what the business CRM is, and then you can utilize and build it. If you guys like that part, you're gonna love this. I'm giving away my best-selling book for absolutely free, and here's how you can get the audiobook in just a few seconds. Inside this book is the same techniques I've used to work abroad in paradise in more than 100 different countries. And the best part, this strategy hasn't just worked for me, it's helped hundreds of thousands of people earn more, work less, and travel the world. I'll leave a QR code here where you can get the audiobook for free with a free 30-day Audible subscription. So now that you've already got leads coming into the funnel, the second online business is just doing more emails, AI emails. Basically, there's a lot of ways to do this, but you can basically pitch yourself as an AI email marketing service who's going to find what your customers and what your prospects are looking for, and then figure out how to get those people the right emails. Now, there's two ways to look at this. There's kind of the emails that if you're sending out to cold people where maybe they didn't opt in, or maybe you're scraping lists and you're sending emails that way. But I suggest focusing on, hey, you might already have a few welcome emails, but how can we convert those people that signed up for the chatbot or signed up for something else? How can we get them more emails and more details that lead them into our sales team or warm them up with education? Now, the best way to really look about doing this is how can you tell these leads more about your business and what you offer? You want to build trust in those leads, so then they're going to convert into customers. So typically it can be like a 7-day or it could be a 7-week email drip sequence where each email is sending out case studies, reviews, blog posts, educational content. And then towards the end, it kind of switches to more, hey, do you want to take this step further? Are you having this problem? Are you having this problem that a lot of our prospects have? And so you can basically use all these avatars that you've worked with, figure out what problems they're having, what transformations are they looking to have, and then you can help them do that. Make that sort of hand-raising gesture. Hey, I need help. I'm having this problem. I want to solve it. And so basically that's what emails do, and you can do this throughout a sequence. And then when AI comes into the mix, it's monitoring and tracking everyone who opens an email, everyone who clicks a link, and it's basically having the next step or isolating in a CRM like, hey, your sales team needs to call these people. This guy's reading every email, they're clicking everything, but for some reason they haven't found the path to actually convert yet. And a lot of times a human person can jump in there, get them what they need, and then help elevate them into a customer. Last but not least is AI sales and marketing. The selling part of actual AI is pretty cool, and there's a lot of really good dialers. For certain industries, this is an absolute game changer. Basically, anytime somebody opts in or tries to call you, you can have AI call them back, ask them a few questions, and then if they're a good fit, then they'll schedule a call with your sales team. So let me give you a few scenarios. Whenever I was running a sales team and managing a team, sometimes it would take a day or two for our team to actually call the leads. They would opt in and say, hey, I need help. But with AI technology now, you can basically install a simple script and simple AI chatbot that will basically call these people 5 minutes after they opt in or as soon as you want to. And the reason that this is so important, that every hour after somebody gives you their information, the chances of them converting to the next stage goes down and down. So if you can call these people, qualify them, and then have them actually book a call with a real human, it can really increase your sales conversions. It's the speed to lead sort of mentality that as soon as somebody opts in, you want to try to get a hold of them as soon as possible. And so this is one of those business models that's very easy to install, and you can kind of pitch all these business models in a way as, hey, we're going to set up a retainer, we're going to install this, and if you're not getting X amount of growth or X amount of new leads, whatever that transformation you're helping pitch to a business owner, just say it's going to be $1,000 a month when you're starting off. If you're not making that back within 2 months, at least double will basically work for free until you do. I love these types of guarantees. I think almost every business will say yes to that. And again, that's not how you build your whole business. That's how you get your first like 3 or 4 customers. And then you just keep increasing those prices as you're building out your core audience in your core customer base. Continue scaling, and then basically after that, you've got an AI business that's making $10, $20, $30,000 a month in actual profit. Do all the stuff for yourself at first, and then you can start expanding and growing a team in areas that you don't like or just aren't that good at. So a lot of times people try to outsource these things too early, but I suggest in the first 6 months to a year, just do it all yourself, work your butt off, and then start outsourcing once you have that profit margin and once you have that retainer. Like, okay, we've got $20,000 of monthly recurring revenue. We can start hiring people. Again, I think that's a generality, but in general, you can figure out what area or what level makes the most sense for you, and then you can basically start outsourcing all the areas that you need help with. Now, if you want to start an AI business, I'm going to put another video up here that's going to be super relevant for you. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll be putting out a new video next week just for you.